Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Fiesta window won't roll down issues and potential problems based on commonly documented and verified information. A window that will not roll down in the Ford Fiesta generally refers to a power window that does not respond to the switch, operates intermittently, or stops part-way during movement. Verified information shows this concern has appeared across multiple Fiesta model years with differences depending on door location, electrical design, and vehicle age. One commonly documented cause involves the window regulator assembly. Wear or failure within the regulator mechanism, including cables, guides, or tracks, has been identified in verified service and repair data as a frequent contributor to windows becoming stuck or unresponsive. Power window motor degradation is another verified cause category. Over time, the motor may weaken and no longer provide sufficient force to move the glass. Switch and wiring-related issues are also documented. Faulty window switches or wiring strain in door harness areas can interrupt signal delivery to the motor and prevent operation. After these documented causes are introduced, it is important to clarify that this video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Additional potential contributing factors may include low vehicle battery voltage, body control module communication irregularities, or window track binding caused by debris or alignment changes. These factors are not present in every case but could be related depending on inspection results and diagnostic data. General guidance for addressing a window that will not roll down usually involves checking fuse integrity, verifying switch function, scanning for related body control fault codes, and inspecting the regulator and motor for wear or damage. Verified owner feedback trends indicate varied outcomes, with some vehicles resolved through regulator replacement, while others require electrical diagnosis depending on generation and usage. In conclusion, Ford Fiesta window operation problems are not tied to a single cause and may differ by model year, door position, and electrical configuration. Accurate diagnosis is essential to ensure effective repair. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.